have a winner. We should get back to work. We no longer have blue or yellow. We have one country now. We have one country that is Kenya. We need to run this country. We have the economy to build. We have the economy to rebuild. And peace to keep. And our clarion call to the other side, probably feeling aggravated, or we would like to tell them that you know, Kenya is bigger than every one of us.
We want to thank the IEBC for having run a transparent and independent election. This election has been free and fair since independence. This is the most free and fair election ever witnessed in Kenya. And so we thank the IEBC. And again, we congratulate our son, Deputy President, the President-elect, Dr. William Samoei Ruto.
Congratulate him and shower him with God's blessing. We want to pray for him to have this country and take forward. We know with a lot of expectations from the citizens, from the people. They expect a lot from him. We want to pray that God will give him the strength to take this country to fulfill the dreams of the people. We want to thank the people for waking up very early in the morning to go and cast their vote, their right, their voice, and I think their voices have been heard.